I cannot stress this enough. The spine is not designed for excessive repeated bending. Stability is the primary function of the spine, absorbing and transmitting motion created by the limbs. On top of that, we are all built differently. The quickest way to damage a rugby player's spine is to get them to push their way into a series of backbends. And the fastest way to damage a dancer's spine is for the dancer to experience a rugby tackle. No two spines are the same. You can bend a thin tree branch much more than you can bend a thick branch before it breaks. But either way, they will both break if they experience continuous bending. This posture is about stability and control. It's not about how far you can bend the spine back. It's a functional structure. With the right approach, this posture will help develop the neuromuscular control required for your reptilian brain to maintain a pain-free, agile spine. In daily life, this level of motor control is gold dust. In this posture, you are extending open an elongated spine into a back bend with stability and control, keeping the glutes, your bum, relaxed. Half moon, back bend. First off, position 1, relax and pull open your structure. Exhale, palms out, arms up. Interlace fingers, release index fingers, cross thumbs. Exhale, relax the bum, drive the chest away from the hip to feel your spine fully elongate. Okay, now take another deep inhale. And on the exhale, relax the bum, drive the chest up and away from the hip, create space in the vertebra, and then gently push your hips forward into that space. And then pause for the inhale. On the exhale, connect an imaginary cable to the chest and feel that cable lift you up to the ceiling. Relax the bum. Exhale, lift up. Pause for the inhale, maintaining the expansion you've just created. Exhale, expand, lift, feel that cable lift you up even more. Relax the bum, expand, open the whole body, gently pushing the hips forward. Pause for the inhale, maintaining the expansion you just created, keeping the body relaxed. Exhale, again, relax the bum, relax your whole body and feel your inner core strength pull open every fiber, every atom of your body, driving the chest up and forward. Just feel that cable doing all the work, lifting you up. Feel your lower back muscle totally relaxed. The bum is totally relaxed. Inhale, maintain the expansion. Exhale, release and pull open even more. Inhale, exhale, slowly come back up. The biggest tip I can give you is to imagine there is a giant magnet or force field in front of you, pulling you forward and up. And you have to somehow control the force of this magnet. If you think about how far you can go back, even for a millisecond, you're out the game. Boom, gone. Depending on how you wield it, a hammer can build or destroy. If you wish to develop a healthy spine, how far you go back is irrelevant. This posture, this functional posture, is all about enhancing your neuromuscular control. The more you can expand open each and every vertebra, the more spinal fluid can flow, lubricating the spine, restoring the health of your spine. Remember, relax the glutes and the surface back muscles. If you don't, those large activation back muscles will dominate, inhibiting the ability of your inner spinal muscles to elongate and open out the spine. An open spine is the only way the healing spinal fluid can flow and do its job. The neck is exceptionally delicate. Never drop the head back. Don't damage those phone lines that go through the neck, which happens when you just simply drop the neck back. Gently arch open the neck by gently driving the throat forward and up, just a small amount, and never go to your maximum end range. Keep your mind's eye in front of you, expanding open the body. Never look behind you. Always look forward so that the reptilian brain does not misread your intention, thinking you're asking it to engage the back muscles and simply pull the spine back. Your intention is always to relax and open. If you've been practicing this posture in the past with a mindset of simply going back as far as you possibly can, you will find this extremely hard, as now you need your inner spine strength, not your surface back muscles, to pull you back. However, the reptilian brain will quickly learn. It doesn't take long to forge the neuromuscular roadmap required to eliminate tension and correctly develop your core stabilization strength. It's not easy, but everybody can do this, and you will feel so much more in control and energized.